Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at combining functions in different ways. So let f and g be two functions, and we define the following combinations as follows. All right, so we can have f plus g of x, right? This is a new function, and we define it as f of x plus g of x to every point. And we notice that it's called the sum function. Difference, right? So f of x minus g of x, like that. Fg, so f of x times g of x, like that. F over g of x, so this is f of x divided by g of x, where g of x is not 0, right? And so we have the sum, difference, product, and quotient. So example number 1, given f, g, and h, we're going to compute the following functions, new combinations, right? So for a, f plus g of 1, this is defined as f of 1 plus g of 1. So f of 1, we plug in 1 into f of x like that, plus g of 1, where we plug in 1 to g like that, and this gives 1 plus 3, which gives 4. Okay, b, g minus h of 4, so this is g of 4 minus h of 4. So g of 4, we plug that in here, and we get 15, minus h of 4, plug in 4, and we get root 4 plus 1 and gives 3. And so that difference gives 12. Okay, C, I wrote down the functions here, so it's easy to follow. fh0, right? So this is f of 0 times h of 0. F of 0, we plug that into here. H of 0, plug that in, we get that. So negative 2 times 1, which gives negative 2. G over h of 9, so this is g of 9 over h of 9, like that. G of 9, plug that in, we get this. H of 9, plug that in, we get this. And that gives 75 over 4. Okay, E, f plus g of x, so this is f of x plus g of x. F of x is 3x minus 2. G of x is x squared minus x plus 3. So we notice we have x squared plus 2x plus 1, like that. Okay, fg over h of 1. So this is fg of 1 divided by h of 1, like that. And this is f of 1 times g of 1, like that. So we plug in f of 1 here, plug in g of 1 there, divided by h of 1 there. So this gives 1 times 3 over 2, which gives 3 over 2. Okay, time for some practice. Practice number 1, given f, g, and h like this, compute the following, a to g. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So a, f plus g of 2 is f of 2 plus g of 2. Plug in 2 here, plug in 2 there, and that gives us 6. B, h plus f of 1. This is h of 1 plus f of 1, and this gives negative 4. Okay, C, g minus h of 1. This is g of 1 minus h of 1. Plug in 1 for g, plug in 1 for h. Don't forget that it's minus all of h of 1, like that. And so this gives 3. D, f minus g of x. So this is f of x minus g of x. So f of x is here, minus open bracket g of x, like that. Distribute the negative 1 like this. And then we combine like terms, and we get negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. E, f times g of 1. So this is f of 1 times g of 1. Plug in f of 1, plug in g of 1, like that, and this gives us negative 1 times 0, which gives 0. Okay, f, g times h of 0. This is g of 0 times h of 0. Plug in g of 0 times plug in h of 0, like this. Negative 1 times negative 4, and it gives 4 as our final value. Okay, g over h of 2. This is g of 2 over h of 2. Plug in 2 for g, plug in 2 for h. gives 5 over negative 2, which is the same as negative 5 over 2. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.